Okay, so welcome. In this part, we are going to take some input from the console. We are going to take some input from our users and then produce some result based on that input. So for this example, we are going to take two numbers from the console, then add them together and output the result. So this is what we're starting with. Just include the library that C++ can take input and output stuff to the console, IO stream, which stands for input output stream. Okay, and our main function where our program starts. So first we are going to declare two variables, two boxes, we can think of them, where we are going to store the numbers that the user is going to enter to our program. So these are going to be of data type int, and the name of the first one will be first number, then end with a semicolon, because all lines of code must end with a semicolon. And when declaring a variable, you can skip the part where you have a starting value, and it will be empty until you say what value it has. It will just have some garbage inside, but you shouldn't use those. Int second number. So now we have these two variables, and now we can store the input of our user in those variables. We take input from the console using the std scene function, and we just type first number. So we will get input from our console, and we are going to pass it into our first number variable. Then we are going to take second number input. So now we have the values that we got from the console, and now we are going to create a new variable which is gonna name result, which will be the addition of our first and second numbers. So we're going to type first number plus second number. So what C++ will do is take the values of these variables, add them together, and then store them into the result variable. And then we are going to output the result. So before running this program, let's say that I ran this program. I will go step by step to show you what would the computer do. First, it would include the IOStream library in order for this thing to work, to take input, and for this to take output to the console. Then it would start execution in the main function. First, it would make a variable, a box of data type int and name first number with a value of nothing inside. It will have like something like garbage inside. Again, it will make a second number with garbage inside, and then it will go to this line. This would say to the console that wait for the user to enter some number, and when he enters that number, pass that value into the first number. So now our first number is going to have a value of whatever we passed in the console. Let's say we type 5. Our first number is going to have a value of 5. Then again the same thing for our second number. Let's say we type 6. Second number will be 6. Okay, and then we are going to make a new variable, again of data type int, where we are going to add first number and second number. We are going to add 5 plus 6, and our result will become 5 plus 6, which 5 plus 6 is equal to 11. Okay, and then we are going to output here 11. So yeah, by the way, this symbol over here, if I go to a line and type this symbol, it's called a comment, and I can type any text I want over here, and this is done to add some comments to your code for other programmers to understand. The compiler, the computer, will ignore everything that is in these orange letters, okay? So we don't care. So let me run my program, and now I can enter some input. I will enter 5. I will press enter, then enter 6, and we must see 11. And yeah, we see 11. Okay. So yeah, that was about input. We talk about input. We talk about a bit about comments, and we used our first operator, which added these two variables together, and then we output it to the console. Okay, so yeah, see you in the next one.